In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome full screen not working. If Chrome is not entering full screen mode the way you expect, don't worry. In many cases, the fix is very simple and only takes a few seconds. The main thing is to make sure Chrome is the active window before using the correct keyboard shortcut for your device. To begin, click anywhere inside your Chrome browser window. This is important because your computer needs to know that Chrome is the app you want to control. If another program is selected in the background, the shortcut may not work at all, or it could trigger a different action. So just click once anywhere inside the Open Chrome window to bring it into focus. Next, press the F11 key on your keyboard. On most Windows desktops and many standard keyboards, F11 is the shortcut that turns full screen mode on or off in Chrome. When it works correctly, Chrome should expand to fill the screen and hide things like the tabs bar, address bar, and other interface elements. If Chrome is already in full screen mode, pressing F11 again will usually return it to normal view. So this key acts like a toggle. If you're using a laptop, the function keys sometimes behave a little differently. On many laptops, the top row keys are assigned to things like brightness, volume, or media controls by default. In that case, pressing F11 by itself may not send the full screen command to Chrome. If that happens, press Fn and F11 at the same time. The Fn key tells the laptop to use the actual function command instead of the secondary feature printed on the key. This is a very common reason why full screen appears not to work, especially on portable devices. If you are on a Mac, the shortcut is different. Press Command, Control, and F at the same time. This is the standard macOS shortcut for entering or exiting full screen mode in many apps, including Chrome. After pressing it, Chrome should switch into full screen view. If needed, press the same shortcut again to exit. That's all there is to it. First, make sure Chrome is selected, then use the correct full screen shortcut for your device. F11 on most keyboards, Fn plus F11 on many laptops, or Command Control and F on a Mac. If one shortcut doesn't seem to respond, try it again carefully and make sure you're pressing the keys together. With that, you should be able to get Chrome full screen working properly.